Welcome to our fab. Today, I'll show you exactly how CPU chips are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Inside this photolithography machine, a beam of ultraviolet light carries a blueprint no wider than a hair. It passes through the photomask, through layers of glass and mirrors, then lands on the wafer spinning below. Where the light touches the photoresist.
Layer 3 etch is holding at 8 nanometers. Temperature's rock steady.
I see it. Bringing up the cross-section there.
Beautiful. Final pass in 4 seconds.
Dozens of layers are built up, each one patterned and etched with incredible precision to create a 3D nanoscale city.
Every packaged chip undergoes a final, rigorous stress test before it leaves the facility.
And that's how a CPU chip is made. From a grain of sand to a billion transistor brain.